With that YouTube, I'm just gonna show the DVD Saga 2 toys, but I'm not gonna show Majin, Vegeta, and the other one, Ian, Shinhan. Yeah, Ian and Majin Vegeta, I'm not gonna show because they're on upstairs, so I'm not gonna show them. So, here, just gonna take there. So you can see there's some 4 figures, and SSJ Vegeta, SSJ5 Vegeta, including the Saga 2 and my Janemba. So, inventaryless, and my gold tanks, but Stitch is not included. There's a prop. Yeah. So, Barely, Broly, and Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta is in Saga 1. So, Majin Vegeta, Super Saiyan is in Saga 2. Super Saiyan 5 Vegeta, Tien Shinhan, Janemba, Turles, and Gotenk. Gotenk is in Saga 2. So this week I'm gonna review and start the Saga 3. So I'm gonna start with the Saga 3 with my Future Trunks, and Future Trunk, I think I gotta think first. Wait a minute. Goku in Blue Gi, and yeah, that's about it. But I'm still gonna review Saga 3. We need 4 more for Saga 3 to complete. Bye!